Okay, if you are an e-commerce owner or have a Shopify store and want to turn your product images into the professional photo shoots of your products with the backgrounds, with the models, or you want to turn your images of the products into the videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you the AI tool which can do that for you. So let me give you a demo here. So you can see I have just uploaded my product of the cap here. Let me show the first product image so you can understand how the things work out with this platform. So this is the image of my cap here, but let me show you what I have done with this cap. You can see I have added with a model with the trying on this cap on his head. I can also edit this image with a background changing or enhance my image, retouching image, all this stuff I can do that. And now this is the image with the background change here. Okay, now let me go to the another background change image. Look at this one. Okay, and there's also the compare feature available that lets you compare before and after. You can see this is the original and this is the results I got. And not only that, let me go to the one step a mile extra. So you can see this is the different model I have downloaded from the Google, and now I have just changed the cap on his head. You can see this is the image I am talking about, and you can see this is the original image. Okay, and this is the cap I have replaced on this model, and look at this image and look at here, both are the same. So I have also done that using this tool here. And not only that, I have also generated a background with this scenario. You can see on this scenario a model is wearing my hat on a party here. And let me give you the one more example. I have turned this image into the video here. So look at this video. Let me play it for you. You can see. So this is mind-blowing. This platform gives you so many amazing features to turn your products into the professional photo shoots for the products, turning them into the videos and much more. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to show you this tool that name is the SellerPic, which can turn your ordinary or static product photos into the extraordinary products with the photo shoots. You can change the background, you can add the models, you can retouch your images, so many things available. So there are only 4 steps available involved in this process here. First, you have to upload your product image. Second, you have to choose the output style. You have to select the background and the model. Then AI is going to do the work, and then you got the results that you can download and use it anywhere. And whatever the things you can do here will be the added in my creations. So you can see this is the video I have generated and this is the image I have generated. So all the images you have created will be the show in my creation. And there's also the one crazy feature available. This is the publisher section available where you can connect your TikTok account, Instagram, or this is the Facebook account, and after that you can automate posting or scheduling. Basically you are going to manage your social media content for the products to all of your social media profiles here. Okay, so now let me give you a detailed demo and the features tutorial of this platform here. So right now SellerPic is available on the AppSumo starting from the just $69, and if you have the AppSumo Plus membership like me, you will get the 10% extra discount. So let me go to the plans and feature. Here you will see the 3 tier plans available, and in the every tier plan you will get the credits per month. So these credits will be the burn while generating the image and the videos. I will show you how much the credits are used for every generation you use for the images or the videos. Now let's back to the demo and the tutorial. So this is the dashboard you are going to see, and you will see all the features on the main screen here and on the left side. So first we have these 3 features available that is going to help you to virtual try on your products or your accessories, your wearings, whatever the stuff you have in your products with the models that is already available. So this is called virtual try on. So we have the 3 sections available. First for the accessories like the glasses, caps, hoodies like this. Then we have the Apparel, and then we have the swap the fashion model. With this I can just swap my own model with a different one or the different one with my own model here. So let me get started with this one, that is the virtual try on. So here first I need to upload my own product. So I'm going to upload the cap that I have showed you while starting this video. So this is the cap. Let me upload it here, and now you can see this is my product. I need to just maximize and the minimize it. Okay, so suppose you have the small accessories like the jewelry, like the earring, like the your ring here or anything, then you have to minimize it. But we have the cap, so we will go with the default size, and after that we have to select the accessories. So you can see there are the almost every accessory available. My accessory is the cap here, So I will select the cap, and now I have these models available. So I'm going to select this one because this looks really good. Now let me click here on the generate, and this will cost you 2 credits while generating this product with the model head. Okay, so let me generate, and every time you are going to click the generate, it will take around the 1 minute. Okay, so you can see this is the time frame is also running on, so it will take up to the 1 minute and your results will be ready. So we have to wait till then, and my results are ready. So you can see this is the image it has generated here, and look at the quality here. This is really good. There's this compare feature available that lets you show and monitor your original design with the results you got it here. And then we have this edit section available. So with the edit, I can just instruct its AI what the things I want to change. Simply describe your prompt and click here on the this generate button here, and it is going to cost you 1 credit. Then we have this background replacer available. We have this background remover. We have this image retouch. Okay, we have the image extender, image enhancer. We want to change the color. This feature is going to help you. If you want to remove anything from your image, you can use magic eraser here. Okay, so let me go to this one, that is the background replacer, and here it will show you all these backgrounds. You can also generate your own background adding your prompt here. Okay, so this is how this background remover is going to work you, and I'm not going to do that in front of you because it is going to again cost me the around 1 minute. Okay, so but let me give you the example. Okay, no worries. So simply we have to select any of these ones. Simply let me select this one, that is the table. So let me select here and click here on the generate, and it will cost you 4 credits, and now it will start generating your image. Let's wait 1 minute again. Okay, I am start getting the results. So this is the first result, I got it, and in the 4 credits I got the 4 variants. This is with the wall and the shadow. This is the another background. Okay, and these 2 variants also be the ready soon. Okay, so you got the idea how this work out, and like I said, I have already told you this is there's also this let me first reset the image. There's also this custom prompt option available where you can add your custom prompt, and it is going to generate the background for you. Okay, so that's how this feature works. Now let me show you the other features as well. Let me click here on the cancel. Okay, let me click here on the continue so I can start showing out the other feature. Then the same thing goes with the apparel. If you have the hoodie, t-shirt or jeans or the skirts, you can use this feature. Then we have the swap fashion model. So basically we are going to swap our fashion models, okay, with these models we have already available. So it is going to make your blurry or low quality image with the high quality models that you can choose from here. Okay, you can also filter out with the gender, with the age or with the religion. Then we have also the scene option available where I can select the models with the background scenes. Okay, now let's back to the home, and this time I'm going to show out this AI product images features available. Okay, we have also the AI video tool available. So let me get started with the product spotlight. So look at here. So I have this this cap with the white background here. You can look at here. Let me upload this one, and this time I'm going to use these backgrounds. Okay, so let me select this one, that is the rock. Okay, so I will select this one. Okay, and here I can also add my custom prompts to make it more customized with the background, like I have something desired or something have in mind, so I can add the information. Now let me click here on the generate, and this will again cost me the 4 credits. So while it is generating, let me show you the other results I got it here. Okay, so I have tested out with the caught background here, and this is how the results, you can see this is the background I have selected, and this is the results I got it here. Okay, then again this is the another variant I got for the same thing. This is the another variant. Okay, and this is the another variant. Okay, then we have this same edit option available to make it some changes, like I want to change the background, I want to retouch, I want to enhance the image quality, or I want to remove something. I can use this edit feature within this generated image here. Okay, so this is how this options work, and while I showed you the previous result, I got one result here. You can see the results. Okay, this looks really good, and let me close this one. Then we have also this lifestyle scene available. So in the lifestyle scene, I can upload my own image of the custom background or the scene, or I can just enter my prompt and it is going to generate this scene for me. For example, I have generated this one, that is a young man wearing this cap in a party, and I got this result here. Isn't this look really amazing here? Okay, then I have turned this image, that is the still with the video. You can see this is the feature. So simply I have used this option to turn this image into the video here, and look at the results. So I have to go to the my creations, go to the video section, and this is the video it has generated out of that still background. This is really amazing. So that is why I suggest you should not miss out SellerPic. This tool is really amazing, and if you are an e-commerce store owner or have a Shopify store or anything you want to sell online as the physical product, this tool is going to be the mind blowing, and you don't have to pay the monthly or yearly or the per product charges here, because you can get the lifetime access starting from the just $69, and this is the enough for you because you will get the around 500 credits. And even testing out so many things, I have showed you, I have still more than 450 credits. You can see I have more than 450 credits already in here. Okay, so if you are going to generate the video, it will cost you 10 credits. If you are going to generate the images, it will cost you from 2 credits to 4 credits based on the thing you want to do it here. Okay, then I have showed you all the features in this platform. There's also this inspiration section available, which you can use to get the ideas which kind of the products you can generate using this SellerPic platform here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button if you really enjoyed, so I get to know you are enjoying my creations on these AI tools and the SaaS platforms, or these kind of the AI tools I have just showed you right now. And also subscribe this channel to stay updated, and if you want to check it out, the SellerPic lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description, and make sure you do not miss out this tool here. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. I will see you in the next one.